Hello everyone, here is Crypto Miner. Some people ask me how much noise the mining rig will make. So now I make a video about a 6 GPU mining rig. Makes 165.5 megahashes a second. So I have a decibel meter, so I can show you how much noise he will make. And we see right here. Yes, as you can see, the sound is like now I'm talking, so it's a little bit louder now, but it's like a normal conversation. I live in an apartment on the 10th floor, so for me this is okay. I hope you enjoyed my video, and thanks for watching.